All right, this is the first hardware EQ from Studio DMI Livio Argentini. I'll be using this EQ now, wow, on different versions for probably 4 years. I don't even remember how many records has been mixed or mastered through this fantastic EQ. Through the version till now, as a final version, I'm happy to say that I don't think there's anything else that this EQ needs. So it's something unique because it's actually, there are two EQ filter and a mid-side matrix in one unit. All right, let's play some music. So right now I'm working a mid-side mode, but I'm treating the mid and the side in the same way. And usually what I like to do is start in this way, kind of do like heavy lifting and get the tone that I want, and then get a little more specific the way that I treat the side. And I like to open the lower mid-range of the side more than the mid, and I like to shade a little bit the side on the bottom. So, and the way I do it, when I select the mid side, I can either preview just the side alone, which is this. In this way, I have a luxury of kind of like do initial shaping as a stereo EQ, then get into the side and do some kind of like change of side placement, especially the way I like it, lower mid-range and get rid of low end at the bottom. Now, the possibility to monitor really quick the side or the mid, it gave me a flexibility. Even if I don't have an actual mastering console, I can do it from the same unit. I like to control the resonance on the upper mid-range on the side. So when I push down on red, it's negative, green is positive. If I push the double, instead of cutting 5 dB, I'm cutting 10 dB, or I'm pushing 10 dB. And then if I want to solo this band, I can also solo this band alone. I also like that I can kind of gain stage really quick lowering the output level after I do my lifting. So in that way, if I bypass, I'm not get tricked by loudness. It's very important. Let's check that. As far as the monitoring, I can monitor just mid and side, after EQ, before EQ. That's before EQ. And that's mid and side. So I want to open the entire side a little bit more. I can do fine. Now it's a good time to put some saturation, the way I like to do in parallel with the LLA-17, between the backs side and the parametric side. And I do, in this case, I use an old FX exciter. I'm gonna place this post parametric, okay? And I'm gonna blend just the side alone. So I'm gonna get some excitement on the side. So check it out. Out. The shape, take away a little bit of the low end, tiny bit. There we go. Let's bring a little bit of excitement on the mid too. It's a fantastic sounding EQ. It's unbelievable. Sometimes I like to drive this kind of loud. So what I do, I push the input gain and I lower the output gain, and it changes the tone in a really pleasant way. So I do that. Without. And even if I want to drive the EQ a little louder, there you go. Sometimes I like to cut the top, and then if I double the frequency, instead of going like to 10K, I go to 20K, I can cut the top and then give the top back from the back side. So check this. So again, the backs is being placed post the parametric. So I'm shaving 20 and I give like a shelf, about 10 dB of shelf. They start around 10K in up. So check. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. It was a quick tutorial about the LA-117. I hope you enjoyed the way I did, and I'll see you next time. Luca, here at Studio DMI in Las Vegas.